Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to do a downward facing dog flow. We'll start on the ground in a lot of tabletop positions, move up to down dog, stay there for a few minutes, and then come down into our cool down. So go ahead and join me on the mat. Join me on all fours in our tabletop position, making sure that your knees are under your hips, your hands are under your shoulders, feet are planted to the ground, and belly button pulled up. Roll your shoulders back and look down. Inhale and exhale. Use your natural breath. Okay, we're going to do some cat-cows. So drop your belly, look forward, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Really stretching down into the stretch on our cows and up and tucking that tailbone under into cat. Let's hold cat for a second and inhale, holding cow, and come back. So make sure your feet are planted, hands are planted. We're going to inhale. We're going to stretch that left foot back. Making sure that we're not tipping into our right side. If you'd like to go a little deeper in the stretch on your next inhale, stretch your right arm forward. Exhale. Bring your elbow in, knee to elbow, and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then bring it all back in to your tabletop position. All right. Making sure that your feet are flat on the floor. Don't tuck them under yet. Feet are flat on the floor. And we're going to inhale, exhale, making sure that our forearms are shining out. Inhale and exhale. On our next inhale, exhale, bring that right leg out. Making sure you're not collapsing into your left side. If you want to go a little deeper into the stretch, inhale, exhale, left arm comes out in front of you. Try not to dump all your weight into your right shoulder. Try to keep it even. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, elbow to knee. And wring it all out and come back. We're going to take our hands and we're going to turn them the opposite way to face us. Just stretching out those arms a little bit. Your hands are facing inward. Just to stretch out a little. Okay. Reset to center. And we're just going to we're going to come onto our forearms. We're going to come into our puppy dog. Our head, try to get your head to the earth. Keeping those legs straight. Inhale, come back up. And then we're going to inhale. We're going to raise that left arm up. And we're going to exhale. We're going to bring it all the way through. Bring your right arm out straight. Inhale, come back to center. Inhale, right arm out. You can look out to your right arm. Exhale, bring it on under. Left arm comes out straight. Inhale, come back up to center. Roll those shoulders back. Without arching your back, just look up, down. Up and down. Up and down. All right, I'm going to scoot forward just a little bit on my mat. And we're going to inhale. We're going to exhale. We're going to come into a bent knee down dog to start off. Inhale, come back. Try to bring your legs straight. Pedal your dog out. Walk your dog. Inhale, lower your knees. Sit back for a second on your heels. Just relieving your arms. And then we're going to inhale. We're going to slide up. Tuck our toes. Come up into downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Grab your left knee with your left ankle with your right hand. Inhale, back to center. Inhale. Exhale. Grab your right ankle with your left arm. Inhale and exhale. Come back up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Plant your right foot. Send it up. Toes facing down in a closed hip. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Slide your left foot up. Right up into pigeon. Inhale. And exhale. Feels good. Stretching out your hip. Inhale. And exhale. Tuck your toes. Inhale. Right back up into downward facing dog. Inhale. Left knee to right elbow. Exhale, back up. Inhale. Left knee to left elbow. Exhale, back up. Drop your knees. Come back. We're going to sit back on our heels. Inhale and exhale. Kind of shake your arms out just a little. And exhale. Inhale. Slide forward. Tuck your toes. Come up into downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. Down dog is a resting pose, but sometimes it feels like a workout pose. Plant your left foot, bring your right foot up, toes facing down for a closed hip. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, bring your right leg forward. Come up into pigeon on your right side. Oh, it feels good after a long day of work. Just feeling that stretch. It's about the way it makes you feel. Inhale and exhale. Really stretching through. Inhale, plant your hands, tuck your left toes, come right up into downward facing dog, three-legged dog. Inhale, right knee to left elbow. Exhale up. Inhale, right knee to right elbow. Exhale up. Inhale, knee forward. Exhale up. Bring your feet down. Drop your knees. Sit up. Whew. Sometimes downward facing dog is definitely a workout. All right. So we're going to come into another variation of down dog. We're going to come into dolphin. But we're going to first come up into our tabletop position. Our tabletop position. Knees under hips, hands under your shoulders. We're going to come into our puppy pose. Stretch it out. Feel your puppy pose. Making sure you're inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, tuck your toes under. Stay in your puppy pose arms, and just lift your legs. Inhale, exhale. We're going to drop the right knee down. Bring it back up. Drop your left knee down. See if you can get it to the earth. If not, hover. Come back into dolphin. Inhale and exhale. Let's stay in our dolphin. Okay, slide through into forearm plank. Lower down. Head to your mat. We're going to come up into Sphinx. Let's come up into Sphinx. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Bring your palms together. Lower your head to your palms. And inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Come up to tabletop position again. Feet are flat. Hands under your shoulders. Knees under your hips. And we're just going to drop our hands down and we're going to raise our left foot. Open hipped. You can come up if you'd like. Open hip. Okay? Inhale and exhale. This is like half moon on the floor. Inhale and exhale. Come down. Okay. Hands are resting on the floor. And then come up, bringing your right leg up, open hip. Come up, find your balance, and come into our modified half moon on the floor. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, come down, touch your toes together, come back into child's pose. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, slide forward, right arm up, come onto your side, bend your knees. And we're just going to open and close our left leg. Trying to really control our hip movement. Just doing our butterfly on our side. And inhale, stretch your legs out, come down, pull onto your left side, bend those knees, bring your hips open, and just open and close that hip. Keeping your right leg stationary, or your left leg stationary on the floor, and just open and close that right hip. Roll onto your stomach, back into Sphinx. Inhale, last down dog, and then we'll cool down. Inhale, come up into your downward facing dog. Really come into your dog. Really trying to stretch into it. Exhale, drop down, come around, come into our cross-legged pose. So tonight, let's cross our opposite leg that we normally cross, just to do a little yoga for your brain. Hands to your knees, and we're just going to roll our shoulders back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Okay, right arm out, up and down, up and down, up and down. Hand to your knee, other side. Left arm out, up and down, up and down, up and down. Hand to your knee. Look to your right. Try to move your whole body. Inhale, exhale. Natural breath. Inhale, back to center. Inhale, exhale. Natural breath. Inhale, back to center. Bring your legs around. It's kind of a short one tonight. Come down on your back. Hands to your belly. I'm going to rest mine behind my head. And we're just going to listen to our natural breath as we lay here, starting with your toes. Squeeze your toes and relax. Point your toes and relax. Flex your feet and relax. Try to tense your calves and knees and thighs. Tense your legs and relax. Tense your abs and relax. Tense your butt and relax. Try to squeeze your shoulder blades together and relax. Bring your hands up. Try to grab the wall and relax. Hands up. Squeeze and release. And release. Look up and relax. Screw your face up into a ball